Welcome to Olathe, where homeowners take pride in maintaining their beautiful properties. But clogged gutters can lead to serious water damage, mold growth, and pest infestations. That's where our gutter leaf guards come in. With years of expertise in gutter protection, we offer solutions designed to keep your gutters clean and functioning properly all year round. Our gutter leaf guards prevent clogs, leaks, and costly repairs, saving you time and money. In Olathe, many homes suffer from gutter-related issues every year. Don't let yours be one of them. Our gutter leaf guards effectively keep debris out, allowing water to flow freely and safely away from your home. This not only protects your property from water damage, but also boosts its curb appeal and overall value. Ready to protect your gutters? Contact us today. Call the Gutter Guys at 866-931-8441 or visit our website at https://thegutterguys.llc. The Gutter Guys, your trusted partner in keeping your home safe, beautiful, and worry-free. Reach out now and experience the difference. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your gutters with the Gutter Guys today.